What is driving anxiety? Answer. Driving anxiety refers to excessive and persistent fear or uneasiness while driving. What are some common symptoms of driving anxiety? Answer. Symptoms may include increased heart rate, sweating, shortness of breath, and feelings of dread. What can contribute to driving anxiety? Answer. Past traumatic experiences, fear of accidents or control loss, or even witnessing accidents can contribute. How can driving anxiety affect one's ability to drive safely? Answer. It can lead to impaired concentration, decision-making, and reaction times, increasing the risk of accidents. What are some strategies to manage driving anxiety? Answer. Deep breathing exercises, visualization techniques, and progressive muscle relaxation can be helpful. How can cognitive restructuring help with driving anxiety? Answer. It involves challenging and replacing negative thoughts or beliefs about driving with more positive and realistic ones. Is it beneficial to practice exposure therapy for driving anxiety? Answer. Yes. Gradually exposing oneself to driving situations can help reduce anxiety over time. How can relaxation techniques like mindfulness help with driving anxiety? Answer. Mindfulness practices can keep the mind focused on the present moment, reducing anxiety-related thoughts. Are there any medications that can help with driving anxiety? Answer. In some cases, doctors may prescribe anti-anxiety or beta-blocker medications to manage driving anxiety symptoms. What role does practice play in reducing driving anxiety? Answer. Regular practice and exposure to driving situations can help build confidence and reduce anxiety. Are you more likely to experience driving anxiety if you have had a previous negative driving experience? Yes, individuals with a negative driving experience are more prone to driving anxiety. What is the term for the fear of driving on highways or other high-speed roads? The term for the fear of driving on high-speed roads is highway phobia or expressway anxiety. How can deep breathing exercises help alleviate driving anxiety? Deep breathing exercises can help relax the body and calm the mind, reducing the symptoms of driving anxiety. True or false? Avoiding driving altogether is the best solution for dealing with driving anxiety. False. Avoiding driving may reinforce the fear and make it more difficult to overcome driving anxiety. What is one technique you can use to challenge irrational thoughts related to driving anxiety? One technique is to dispute irrational thoughts by providing evidence that contradicts these thoughts. How can gradual exposure therapy be beneficial for individuals with driving anxiety? Gradual exposure therapy involves gradually exposing oneself to driving situations, helping to build confidence and decrease anxiety over time. Why can listening to calming music be helpful in reducing driving anxiety? Listening to calming music can distract from anxious thoughts, promote relaxation, and create a positive driving experience. True or false? Professional driving lessons can be beneficial for individuals with driving anxiety. True. Professional driving lessons provide guidance, support, and structured practice to help individuals with driving anxiety build confidence. What are some physical symptoms commonly associated with driving anxiety? Physical symptoms may include increased heart rate, shortness of breath, sweating, and trembling. How can practicing mindfulness techniques while driving help with anxiety? Practicing mindfulness can help individuals focus on the present moment, reducing anxious thoughts and increasing relaxation.